Hey everyone, do you want to permanently delete your WhatsApp account on your iPhone? Don't worry, I will show you the easy step to do it. Step 1. Get started. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Access your account. Tap Account, then select Delete My Account. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Enter your phone number in full international format, including your country code. Step 4. Continue the process. Tap Delete My Account. Select a reason for deleting your account if asked. Step 5. Confirm your decision. Tap Delete My Account again to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. Final tip. Remember, deleting your WhatsApp account is permanent and will remove your account information and message history, and that's it. Now you know how to delete your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.